So wait, did you raise your hand for her? Is that what just happened? He passed his up?
I had to know.
He deferred.
I just
This
want to
must be
say,
a good one. He's
like,
excited to see this.
he's gonna do this, but we have 3 generations here. I'm the mom, this is my son, this is my grandson. Okay? And we have 3 generations. I'm gonna pass it to my son.
Hi, my name is Jim Hayes with Hayes Enterprises. We've been in business for a lot of years, a couple of generations. We're really bad at taxes, and we're really hoping that tax time can clarify this. I guess the question I would have for you is, I saw on TikTok, and that's where I get most of my tax information. I saw on TikTok that there's a section 179 or something like that where I can buy a car for 6,000 pounds, and I can deduct the full amount of it. And then I guess the questions are, if I'm going to buy a $100,000 car and I only put 10,000 down, how much would be deducted? And then after 1 year, if I sold it to another business or I gave it to my kids, what would happen? And then if I wanted a Tesla, which my mom likes Tesla, so if we bought a Tesla and it was not 6,000 pounds, how would could that be tax advantageous also? And is TikTok right?
There's a lot there.
So, you're going to have to repeat some of those questions, so be ready. I'll go with the last one first, which is the one that's sunk into my brain. The car that's not over the 6,000 pounds, you can definitely still take that, and there will be some accelerated depreciation related to it, but it is limited to at most $18,000 per year, and it does kind of decrease over time. Having said that, if you just straight line depreciate it, you're going to be able to say $100,000, 5-year time of useful life. We'll be able to get to $20,000. So we're probably going to still be able to get you the full 20. But there's benefits over time for that car as well. Where you can still get those deductions even though you're not able to claim it all in the first year.
Section 179, you want to make one?
Yeah, so for 2022, yes, you could have captured a 100% depreciation. Moving forward, the bonus depreciation is reducing. I believe for 2023, it's going to be 80%. Is that correct? Yeah, so bonus depreciation is starting to reduce moving forward. The one thing I'd say kind of about your scenario of fully depreciated and selling it to somebody else and them depreciated, when you fully depreciate something and sell it, whatever you sell it for is now a full gain for your company. So you're not going to quite get that full tax benefit out of what you're thinking. There are tax consequences when you trade it in or sell it. You're going to see some gains there potentially. So just be aware of that.
Recapture. The one thing I'll point out to you here on this is when you're looking at purchasing vehicles like this, even if you put 0 down, the beautiful thing about section 179 is I can take the deduction on the value of the vehicle. So this is one of those interesting ones that doesn't necessarily follow the cash. It doesn't necessarily follow my down payment. I take that entire value of the vehicle, and again, depending on the circumstances, the year I buy different things, I can take that depreciation and depreciate it, even if I have a loan on the vehicle, which is really interesting. It's not typically how the IRS works. You can get that depreciation. Just be aware, like Nick said, you're going to recapture when you sell.
Yeah, and I mean the cash does change hands. It's just coming from the lender, not you individually, right? You take on the loan. So there is that issue there. I'm going to speak for Gene here as well. We're not huge fans of going out and buying a car at the end of the year to reduce your taxes, unless it's something that you need. You know, if you need to absolutely go do it, capture the tax benefit. Don't go buy stuff just to reduce your taxes, because for every dollar that you're spending, maybe you get 30 cents back in tax reduction out of it.
It's kind of like my wife says she's got to buy something that's on sale, right? I have to get this because it's on sale. I have to get a vehicle because the tax deduction is supported. But if you need the vehicle, it's a great road to benefit you.
Thank you very much.
All right, good stuff. So we're going to go break. These guys will hang around.